Hey everyone, welcome back to the Sweet Life of Aydan. Today I'll be making glow in the dark slime. Now this is the things we need. Magical liquid, glue,
Is that more glue, Aydan?
Yeah, glow in the dark glue.
Glow in the dark glue,
And what's that? The more magical liquid?
yeah.
Okay. So, you want me to start reading the instructions?
Yeah.
Okay. So it says pour out 1 5-ounce Elmer's glow-in-the-dark glue into a container.
So one of them. Alright, I'll put it in here.
Mm-hmm. You gotta squeeze it so you get it all out. Ew. Okay. All right, now we need to add 2 teaspoons of Elmer's magical liquid and mix well.
Which one?
So the one that says 1 TSP. One. And let me get you a spoon so you can stir it. Now, the recipe says that you may need to add more. So, but we'll see if we need to add more. But start mixing it. Are you looking at it? And make sure it's getting to be the right consistency, because if it's not, then it means you probably need to add more liquid.
You think I need to add more?
Yeah, you got a lot more glue.
At least it gets more.
Alright, now mix it up. And I think this will make it into the right slime. You want to start touching it?
Huh?
You want to start touching it and playing with it?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's good.
And then we have to, once you knead it out, then you have to test it to see if it's glow in the dark.
It feels good.
Is it too liquidy? Or is it?
It's fine.
You probably need to mix it some more.
Yeah. Don't know if it's to mix it because it's good. Is it out? My hand is gonna be sticking to the thing.
Try again on this side.
Over there. Once it gets a little hard to mix it, that's when you know to start kneading it. Yeah, I think I just have to mix it a little bit. Alright. Yep. I think it's time to start kneading it.
Let us see it. Show the camera. Ew. I don't think that's the right consistency, Aydan.
Then when it gets really hard, that's when it's right. Can someone help me get the box, please? Sorry.
No, what's your hand? What are you talking about?
dry my hand and yes, no. Mix it more.
Mhm.
And make sure you wash your hands really good.
Try hold the bowl when you mix it.
Huh?
Sit it, hold the bowl when you mix it. So I'll be right back.
It's a little liquidy. You know what? I think I can knead it now. Whoa. The whole thing sticking to my hand. Huh? And we're going to try it in my bathroom. So, all right, guys, I think we can take it in the bathroom and see if it glows in the dark. All right, guys. Oh my God. Guys, look, it's glowing in the dark. Now let's close the door.
Come.
And see if it's even light. So guys, look, it glows in the dark. My hand's glowing. And the glow in the dark queen. The whole thing's sticking to my hand. Alright, bye everyone. I'm going to keep playing with my slime. Make sure you like and subscribe. And bye.